So I'm gonna post a quick video about the Peerless 730C aluminum lightweight handcuffs. I've had these actually for a little bit over 2 years now. Use them quite a bit, and I am very, very happy with these. They're noticeably lighter, strong, aluminum built. They're not like asp where you have the plastic or, well, composite outer perimeter right around here. That's actually known for bending and twisting. So if you're doing any type of emergency cuffing, they're known to kind of slip, and as this loops around, it slips along the side. These won't do that. These don't twist. They don't bend. You're gonna have a really hard time twisting these out of position. Very, very happy with them. They run at about $41 from Handcuffs warehouse. You can get coupon codes to give you free shipping. Side hole right here. That's for your double locking. Keyholes in the center. The only complaint is they do run smaller than regular Smith&Wesson cuffs, so they are a little bit tighter around bigger wrists. However, I still haven't had anybody that I particularly had a difficult time cuffing. So if I had a large individual, I would still end up double cuffing. So saying that smaller cuff really made a difference? Nah, not really. Handcuff Warehouse does offer free engraving. Where you see Peerless, that's roughly how the engraving would look on the other side, except it's bigger. It will go along the entire outer edge, so you can put your name, your star number, whatever you want. Like I said, very happy with these. They're about half the weight of a regular handcuff. So if you want to save some weight on your belt or your molly gear mounted on your chest, these are the way to go. Half the weight of regular handcuffs, and they work great. Very, very happy with them.